Did you know over 4.4 million online stores trust Shopify? That's a staggering number, isn't it? That's like every person in New Zealand running a business online. Imagine the entire population of a country being entrepreneurs. Shopify dominates the e-commerce world, setting the standard for online retail success. But a new challenger approaches: durable. This platform is making waves and catching the attention of many. This isn't about picking sides, it's about finding the right fit for your business. Every business has unique needs and goals. We'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, giving you a clear picture of what they offer. Knowledge is power. Let's dive in and explore these platforms in detail so you can make an informed decision. Shopify is the veteran in the e-commerce world, having established itself as a leader over the years. Years of experience mean a massive app store, filled with thousands of apps designed to enhance your online business. This extensive app store lets you customize your online store with powerful tools, making it easy to add features and functionalities. Need help with marketing? Shopify has you covered with built-in marketing tools and analytics to help you reach your audience effectively. Is shipping giving you a headache? Shopify integrates seamlessly with major carriers, simplifying the shipping process for you. But all this power comes at a price. Literally. The convenience and features come with a cost. Shopify's monthly fees can add up, especially once you factor in transaction fees for each sale, which can eat into your profits. And while their themes are beautiful and professional, customization can be tricky for beginners who might find the learning curve steep. Shopify is like a Swiss Army knife. Versatile, reliable, and packed with features, but maybe a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. Don't worry, there are other options out there. Platforms like Durable offer different features and pricing structures that might suit your needs better. Durable is the newcomer with a fresh perspective. They focus on simplicity, making it easy for anyone to get started in the e-commerce world. Building a website is a breeze with their AI-powered tools, which guide you through every step of the process. No design experience, no problem. Durable's intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can create professional-looking websites. Durable generates a website based on your answers to a few simple questions, tailoring the design to your specific needs and preferences. They also offer built-in marketing tools, including AI-generated content, which helps you craft compelling product descriptions and marketing campaigns. This helps you get your products in front of the right customers, optimizing your sales strategy with minimal effort. Durable's pricing is straightforward. One monthly fee covers everything, so you don't have to worry about hidden costs or complicated pricing tiers. Durable is like a brand new smartphone, sleek and modern, designed to make your life easier. Intuitive, user-friendly, but with fewer features than the established players, making it perfect for those who want a simple, effective solution without the complexity. Section 4. Head-to-head, choosing your champion. Both platforms offer essential features like secure checkout, mobile optimization, and customer support as standard. The key is understanding your needs. Shopify is ideal for established businesses. Think high sales volume, complex operations, need for customization. Durable shines for beginners and solopreneurs. Think quick setup, ease of use, budget conscious. The right choice depends on your unique circumstances. Section 5. The verdict: find your perfect fit. Shopify and Durable are both powerful tools. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your success. Consider your budget, technical skills, and long-term goals. Remember, the best platform is the one that helps you achieve your vision. Now go build something great.